Hey guys, what's up guys? It is me, Asher. So today I'm going to be showing you guys to make really easy slime. So yeah, here's my slime. I'm going to show you guys. Like here. Okay, so yeah, this is jiggly slime. And you don't actually have to make jiggly slime, but I recommend you guys. You guys are not going to see my face. I do you guys want to see my face? So yeah, the materials you'll be needing are something to mix in and something to mix it with. And you'll also be needing some hand soap. This is one's jiggly. As you can see, it's super jiggly. Airwick is optional, but if you don't have this, it's okay. But if you do, I recommend you guys using this. This is like super good. So yeah, and also some salt. So yeah, basically I think everybody has to have salt. So, but if you don't. If you don't, then you can just leave it all by itself. If you have the jiggly one, just leave it all by itself, put it in the freezer, and it'll be good. But if you don't, then you can't make this slime, or you can just go buy it at a store. Ask someone for permission, and it just says yes. Wonderful. So first off, I'm gonna start pouring, and I think. So, yeah, and I forgot to tell you guys, just Airwick just works, not anything else but Airwick. So yeah, now now I'm gonna pour it. Not too much, a little bit. And then now, I'm just gonna dip it in there. I'm just gonna see how that's in there? I'm gonna dip it right into there. It's like a pinch of salt. I'm gonna mix it. Okay, that's not enough. When you see it turning a whitish color, then okay, I think I put too much salt, so we're gonna try it again. So yeah, that's what happened. Mine was watery. Okay. Oh my god, no, I don't want to mix that in with that. This is better. Yeah. It's pretty cool. So like if you have the jiggly hand soap, it will only take 3. If you don't, it'll take. If you don't have the jiggly one, it'll take 5. So. I'm gonna pour a little bit more. Yeah, I'm gonna pour. I might just do one more. Okay, and then you want to put it in the freezer for 15 minutes. So, I'm not going to put it in the freezer for 15 minutes. I'll do that in another. No. I wipe my hand. And that's all best. I'm just going to put it in here. And I'll do another make it slime video. And I'll put it in the freezer. I don't want to get any of the red slime. Okay. So yeah. And I'll mix it. It's super jiggly, jiggly. So yeah, that's you guys make really easy and inexpensive slimes. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. Make sure to please hit the subscribe button and thumbs up button. Bye.